At the end of the video, you will see what cold snacks will be in the video. I have worked in many restaurants. I will teach you how to cook simple dishes. This sandwich is easy to prepare. Take yesterday's bread and fry little in a pan. Take cottage cheese and mix it with butter, or just butter the bread. Take your favorite sausage or ham. Pickled cucumber. Put everything on bread. And rub a boiled egg on top. Salt and pepper. You can choose the filling you like. How the video will gain likes and views. I will show you how to prepare many different cold snacks. And what you see in the photo.